Namo Namaha. I welcome you all once again to my lesson. Today we are going to learn about Vastrani. Vastrani are different clothings in English. Okay, let's learn some important Vastrani today. All right. Syutaha, Syutaha, Kankanam, Kankanam, Bango, Pravarakaha, Pravarakaha, Kanchukaha, Kanchukaha, Kankatam, Kankatam, Bahirvasaha, Bahirvasaha, Veshaha, Veshaha, Karnakundalam, Karnakundalam, earring, Shirastram, Shirastram, anything that you wear to cover your head, Upanetram, Upanetram, Hastakoshaha, Hastakoshaha, glove, Kantabhusha, Kantabhusha, anything that you wear to adorn your neck. All right. Urukam, Urukam, trouser, Shatika, Shatika, sorry. Let's also learn a sentence related to this. Look at this sentence. Sa Shatikam Dharayati. Sa Shatikam Dharayati. She wears a sari. Chelakaha, Chelakaha, a sailor, a light sari. Yutakam, Yutakam, shirt. Okay, let's learn a sentence too. बालकः युतकं प्रक्षालयति. बालकः युतकं प्रक्षालयति. The boy cleans a shirt. पादत्राणं, पादत्राणं. तिलकं, तिलकं. Let's look into a sentence too. बालिकायाः शिरस्त्रं पार्श्वे अस्ति. बालिकायाः शिरस्त्रं पार्श्वे अस्ति. The girl has a hat. Dhanyavadaha. I'll see you in the next lesson. Please keep practicing these words.